back again with another vlog. We are on a road trip again. Now it has been a minute since we made a vlog, but here we are. We're going our way on a 3-day and 2-night road trip. It's a 4-hour drive out south of Auckland, so we're just grabbing some lunch.
I know.
I've got sambal chicken fried rice.
That's
Yum. Fried noodles. We're gonna eat and then we're gonna carry on with our journey. 4 minutes away. Welcome to Ohakune. This is where we're gonna be staying tonight.
to the photo, does it look like this?
Yeah, it says 57.
Okay, then we're on the right driveway.
Yeah, that's also.
I think it's just so rural. Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
this is it. This is it.
Oh, that's stunning.
Yeah, nice. What a hidden gem. So here we are, 3 days and 2 nights in Ohakune. We're about 300 kilometers south of Auckland, maybe even more. So we have just offloaded everything into the room. But first up, I just want to show you guys what the property looks like. I have to be respectful because we are actually sharing the same property as the owner's driveway. So our little space is just off to the side. The main part of the house is obviously on the other side. They've got sheep here. It's a bit cloudy today, so we can't see Mount Rubehu, which is a famous ski mountain. Time to show you guys our place for the next 2 nights. It's a small, spacious, well, small and cozy lounge, and this is where we're gonna be sleeping for tonight. It's like a little cabin, self-contained cabin off to the side of the house. They built this 18 years ago. So it is almost 5 p.m. now. The reason why we're here is to do the Tongariro crossing tomorrow. We don't really have any other plans apart from that. We're just gonna wing it. So we're just hoping for good weather. So we are probably going to rest up, sleep early tonight, chill for a little bit, and maybe go into town if Ash feels like it. All right, guys. The night is still young, it's still early, but we have to wake up tomorrow at 5 o'clock in the morning to get to the hike because it is an hour drive from here to the car park, to the starting point of the Tongariro crossing. So we are going to get some much needed sleep, especially I've been driving all day today. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning, it is 6 o'clock. We are about to head off to the crossing. First up, let's go. Yes.
Yeah, we just.
Yeah.
And then why would you go down there and back? I don't know.
Right.
Okay.
So this is the part where it gets real.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because imagine if things change in here.
Yes.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Because that's what we looked at as well. last time.
I'm a ranger, right? And I've never done it. I've
No, bro. You lie. What's your name, brother?
Rich.
Rich. Nice to meet you. Chan.
Killed it, right?
Yeah.
Killed it. Oh, yeah? Oh, well, I was brought up in South Auckland.
Yeah, the
Oh, whereabouts?
Pepatoito.
Oh, yeah.
We're in
Wow.
the Mangere East Peptoid.
Yeah, the hood, eh?
The
hood.
hood.
Yeah.
The hood.
Look.
So the whole thing supposedly is gonna take us about 8 hours. All the shuttles are cancelled today. So nice guy Rich up front, who's a ranger, he actually said it's quite icy and windy up top and cloudy. And if it gets real cold and it goes negative, he recommended us turning back, which means we are not going to be able to do the whole thing. So I'm excited. Ash is excited. I've done it 6 years ago, but that was just after summer, so there wasn't any snow, and she did it
11 years ago.
Yes.
A little while.
And we both love doing things and making memories together. That's what we're doing today. Right, supposed to get to the finishing point, which is the other car park. Kinda sweating now, but that's a good thing. It's comfortable.
Yeah, but it's -4 up there.
Well, we got our snacks. We're only about 45 minutes into our walk, so just taking it easy. A couple of people up front. Ooh. Wow, look at these guys. Our first snack of the walk. Up and go. Yummy. As this is one of the many volcanoes in New Zealand, also one of the big great walks that is recommended when you do come to New Zealand. So it is all volcanic ash and rocks. So you guys went up there?
And then it's just no visibility.
It's a lot calmer down here. I couldn't really film up top because my hands were frozen, nose was dribbling. It's just a nightmare. Look at that. We were just up there. Insane. And look at the clouds. It's really bad up there. Well, 20 minutes from the car park. At least it's nice and sunny, huh?
But it's cold.
Yeah, it's free. But it's okay now. Yeah, feeling good, feeling grateful. We'll grab some lunch. We're 5 hours and 15 minutes into our walk. Right. Yay, we're back. Yep, made it. Back to where we started. Still an amazing feeling though. Right? So we're gonna sit in the car and chill out for a little bit. Rest up. Oh, it's starting to spit now.
Yeah, it's gonna be the same thing.
Just in time. Oh, tell you what, it's gonna feel good to actually just sit.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just
Oh, this thing is like the best. Alrighty, we are back to Ohakune and we're about to get some lunch. This food truck seems to be popping. Supposedly gonna be good. We'll check it out, eh? Oh, you...
Big mountain would come by 5. And that's your number there.
Thank you. We're both hungry, exhausted, tired. We're gonna get our burgers and fries and then head home. It's only 3 minutes from here. And we're just gonna smash it out. It's probably gonna chill. We have booked a hot tub spa for the night, and it's local, and it's 7 o'clock. So we're both looking forward to it. Thank you, my bro.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
Alrighty,
You
now.
want a bag?
Oh, that'll be good. Are you guys closing up now?
No, we close at 7:30.
Ah,
Hey, live.
live? Nah, I'm just recording because we're traveling at the moment. We tried doing the crossing today,
Yeah.
but it was getting quite bad up top, so we had to turn back.
Oh.
We're gonna enjoy the
Yeah,
burger
it's
now.
okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Enjoy your
See ya.
weekend.
Yes, you too. All right, friendly guy. We're gonna get some fuel. We're literally on low. Probably could still go another 50 k's, but we're not risking it. There you go. Wife's hangry, but get the fuel up first for the car. Car's gotta eat. Home sweet home. We're not even gonna be bothered with our stuff. We're just gonna go in and smash out the burgers and then fries. I can't wait to show you guys the burger. She's starving, she's hangry. You guys know when the wife's hangry, feed her. That's a bacon and beef burger, fries. Okay, we're all showered up, rest up. Ash and I had like half an hour, 45 minutes nap. It's 6:30 now. We're about to head to Newell supermarket, grab some stuff. Oh look, here we are. Who's this? Hey Piper, do you want to play fetch? She's the cutest. Her name is Piper. She's a jumper. She loves playing fetch. You're so cute.
what happened?
I can't lift it up. As I was saying before we got distracted with Piper, we're about to head to Newell supermarket, grab some stuff, maybe some snacks for dinner. And then we are going to Ohakune hot tub, which is a private spa. We're gonna be there for an hour or so, relax our bodies, come home, and just have some dinner, really. Yeah. You having a good time? Yes. And Troliona. So we're just looking for something that's easy, microwavable, instant noodles, soup, something like that. I think just the transportation and everything, just to bring it to the small town, just like fuel and everything, same thing. It's just crazy expensive, but it is what it is, right? Yeah. All right, your boys' hips are a little bit sore. I feel like I need a hip replacement. Ohakune hot tubs. All right, we are 10 minutes early. Smells good. Smell the firewood. Tried doing the Tongariro.
Oh, how was it today?
Yeah, it was pretty bad up there, so we couldn't make it across. All the shuttles are cancelled, so. Ah, smells good. It smells good.
So in the changing room is more firewood. I'll chuck another piece on now for about 15 minutes, let this guy take.
Oh, right,
And
okay.
then, yeah, see what the temperature's like. Sorry there.
This is great.
It's pretty cool, right?
Oh hell yeah! We're gonna be. It's freezing. But
So
it's
this
gonna be
place
nice in
has
here.
5-star reviews, so I thought,
Great.
and these firewood too. Great service.
Smells like
Smells
pizza
good.
Here.
Oh yeah. Little changing room there. Bit more firewood down
I'm gonna
there.
start changing to
All right. I guess we just get right into it. Oh, it's freezing.
So nice. If you want it hotter, you can put another one. But he just put one.
Right. Okay. Let's add a chunk of wood in there. Need to open that for me, and I don't drop my phone. Bam. Exactly what we need after a long day. That was amazing. Feel all my muscles all loosened up now. Time to go home. Have some nice stew. Here we are. No jumping, no jumping, no jumping. Does she? Sit. She does listen. No jumping.
She's a polyper. See, now I give her reward.
There you go.
Cute. Good cute. Good cute.
Is this your home or what? Do you know to go inside?
Oh, she's so cute.
Is this where you sleep when no one's here?
Yes.
I guess it's dinner time, right? Ash, we've just got instant noodles because we're not very hungry and we feel like something hot. So if you guys watched my previous videos, we're a big fan of Shin Ramen, but I feel like yum yum noodles, specifically the duck flavor. The only problem I have with this B&B is this is the only bowl that they gave. Like, it's barely big enough for a cereal. Big ass cup, tiny ass bowl. Like, come on now. All that MSG. And tomorrow, it's about 4 hours back to Auckland. We actually also bought these guys. I might have one of these later. Hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog so far. Look at this one. She's enjoying it. Is it yummy?
Really good.
Yep.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer
Yeah, she does look kind of sad. She knows we're leaving. Alright.
lonesome dove, folded
We shall see you in the next life.
all the colors.
You come back? Just for you? Hey. Ash just wants to get some coffee in town before we actually head off. Which one? No, I'm talking about the cafe.
When we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving
Morning, how are you?
honeysuckle, fresh cut grass.
Ash has got a coffee, she'll be happy. Time to head back to Auckland now. It's 4 hour and maybe 4.5 hours of drive. 2 p.m. on the dot.
Some stuff like that.
Your boy has just arrived in Auckland. Now, it has been an amazing trip to bring you guys along, even though the weather wasn't perfect. To be honest with you, the past whole week, the country has been battered by just severe wind and gale force. So the fact that we could even do half the Tongariro crossing was pretty amazing. So it wasn't perfect, and apologies if the vlog wasn't perfect, but it was perfect for Ash and I in terms of just making memories together and sharing it with you guys. And at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. That's what this channel is all about. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.